I'm just going to quickly demonstrate this. Don't know if you can see it. Let's focus on it. There we go. SSR-41FDC solid state relay for DC current. Now this isn't a Triac, as you would have noticed, so you can't use it for AC current, only DC. By the size of the legs, you would have guessed already that these are the output terminals and these are the control. And what that means is we can supply between 3 and 32 volts DC to these two legs, and when it's energized, this part of the circuit will close, otherwise it's open. So I'm just going to quickly demonstrate it. What I've got here is, don't bother too much about this, but it's a USB-C, so 15 volt power supply connected to this 12 volt LED bulb. Okay, and over here I've got just a USB-A power bank cable with the ends cut off, so that will give me 5 volts. So I'll use that to energize the relay. Alright, so let's get started. So first thing first, the difference between a magnetic relay and a solid state relay is these are polarized, so you can't use the you can't swap ends, so negative has to go to negative and positive has to go to positive. I'll show you what happens later if this isn't followed. So just keep that in mind if you're building a circuit, because yeah, with a magnetic relay you can do it either way, right? So here we go, connect 5 volts to the control terminal and the LED lights up as expected. Okay, so what happens if we swap the control, so positive to negative and negative to positive? Well, it's not going to do anything. So you need to remember, when dealing with solid state stuff, you're working with like diodes, so current only flows in one direction. Now watch what happens if we reverse the output. So now positive goes to negative and negative goes to positive. So you can see that the light illuminates right away. The reason for that is it's initially a one-way diode, so current wouldn't flow. If you hook it up correctly, current wouldn't flow to it unless a small current is supplied to the control input. Whereas if you hook this up the other way around, then current will flow through right away because it's a one-way diode, right? So you go in the correct direction. So to close the diode, the output, then you just need to supply a small voltage here. Okay, that's it really. Thanks for watching.